You have to shoot until the light goes out.
Huh?
Shoot it until the light goes out, so you'll know how you're aiming. Yeah. Yeah. Wow. Loretta's first time shooting a gun. Yay! The one by the snake? Yeah! See, he moved. Wow.
Oh, I'm starving over here. Come a little closer. It's been about 70 million years since my last meal. Wait a tick. Humans are friends, not food.
Oh, no more.
Really? We just rode the Smoky Mountain Alpine Coaster. We were not allowed to record while we were riding it, so we're showing you what we can, how the ride looks from this sign. And it was fun. It's very thrilling because you go up, it seems like the side of a mountain. It pulls you up a long way before it starts, and then you're going downhill as fast as you want to go. We didn't go too fast. I think we slowed down the people behind us. They wanted to go faster, but this was our first time riding a coaster like this. Of course, it looks like a roller coaster. It's not gonna get out of control. It has a speed control, so you can control how fast you go. And it was very fun. It was very nice weather today, so you can't beat it. This is the I think the longest lasting coaster ride in the area, or maybe the country, of this type of alpine coaster. So hope you enjoyed it, and we will go do something else now. Bye bye.